Hi guys!
In this video I'm going to show you my unit of 3 Primaris Salamanders Eradicators, a core unit for the Salamanders army, even a great unit for all Space Marines chapters. What makes Eradicators so great? There are two main options. First, assault Melta rifle with 24 inches range for each model in a unit. And the second is a total obliteration ability that makes units shoot twice if you make all shots in the same target. So you have 6 shots with Melta per turn for 135 points for the unit. If you play for Salamanders, you get +1 to wound for the second and the third round. Now you can't see any Salamanders playing without at least one 3 models unit of Eradicators on the board. Eradicators is my 7th unit that I've completely painted. As you know, I use a simple scheme of painting the basic green colors for the armor. I have Waaagh Flesh, Warpstone Glow and Moot Green colors for the armor. Highlighting with the Moot Green and making shadows with Waaagh Flesh. I prefer Citadel, but I don't think you really need these Citadel colors, just you can take Vallejo. No, I paint all parts that are hard to be painted when assembled separately. For the Eradicators that were hands and heads. You can see some photos. Then I take bodies and paint belts with brown color and some metallics, and this time I made some freehand as I did not have shoulder pads with the salamander head. I painted this head myself and you can check if it looks fine or awful and ugly. Just leave a comment, what do you think, please. Now I have both core Salamanders units for my army with the, of course, Aggressor squad made recently. And I'll try to participate in some tournament for the guys like me that are playing for a couple of months, you know, and check what I can do with my small 750 points army or maybe 1250 points army. That depends on the terms of the tournament I'll choose. So say good luck to me. I'm waiting for comments.